VELLO bike, lighter, smarter and more compact than any other electric folding bike on the market. Unique technology, unique you. In the past 15 years, electric bikes and electric folding bikes on the market haven't changed much.
We have looked at what's out there and took the latest technology for electric bikes to develop something new. The lightest, smartest and most compact electric folding bike. It is lightweight, has a sleek design and folds extremely small. Introducing VELLO Bike Plus.
I'm Valentin Vodev.
And I'm Valerie Wolf, the founders of VELLO Bike.
The VELLO bike takes advantage of the next generation of regenerating electric bike technology that has the ability to charge the battery while pedaling, so you can ride forever without having to recharge it. Connected to your phone via Bluetooth
to select different power modes,
track your road or lock your bike motor with the app and make it difficult for thieves to steal it.
Furthermore, VELLO bikes are high-performance folding bikes that feel and ride like a full-size bike, is shock absorbent and provides for a safe ride.
Use it for multi-modal commuting. Fold and roll in a second thanks to its patent self-locking magnet system and then wheel it around everywhere. At the same time, it can be folded extremely small. Take it with you everywhere and place it under your work desk easily.
It was designed to fit all body sizes due to the fully adjustable height of the handlebar stem and extra long seat post.
VELLO bikes have been designed for the urbanauts. Feel the freedom and culture of urban lifestyle.
In 2015, the VELLO bike was awarded the prestigious Red Dot Best of the Best.
With your support, we can bring it to life.
Check out our